All right, let's ask the very, very expensive question. Is the probe going to be ready on time?
We're behind.
Give me a number.
15 days. 15 days and I can get it done.
All right, let's create 15 days. 13 days to mount the probe. Can we reduce?
It actually only takes 3 days to mount the probe. And we can get that down to 2, right?
I can get it done in 2.
10 days for tests and inspections.
How often do those inspections reveal a problem?
Well, you're suggesting we don't do the inspections?
Right now, I'm asking how often they reveal a problem.
1 in 20, but that's grounds for countdown halt.
Oh, I can't take that chance.
Anyone else know a safer way to buy more time? Dr. Keller, stretch Watney's rations 4 more days. You're not going to like it, but that'll get us to 15. And we'll cancel the inspections.
Sir, if that ever got out.
It's on me. You got your 2 weeks. Get it done.
This is the flight director. Begin launch status check.
Roger that. Flight. Beginning launch status check.
You believe in God, Vincent?
Yeah. Yeah, my father was a Hindu, my mother's a Baptist, so yeah. I believe in several.
We'll take all the help we can get.
Launch status check complete.
This is flight. We are go for launch.
Proceeding with the count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, main engine start. 4, 3, 2, ignition, 1. Lift off. Good thrust. Performance is nominal.
Good payload is giving good data.
She's rock solid at this point in flight. PVCs look good. Thank God. Yes! Extra TDC actuation.
We're getting a little shimmy flight.
Say again?
We are getting a very large precession.
Are we good?
Flight is hitting the red line.
Spinning on the long axis around a 17-degree precession.
Launch. What's happening?
Force on Iris at 7 Gs. We've lost readings on the probe flight.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Did you see the data?
We've lost it, flight.
SATCON.
No satellite acquisition of signal.
Lost data. Sharp cut off.
LOS here, too.
US to shore of Stockton. Reporting debris falling from the sky.
Everyone in the LCC, maintain your positions at your
GC, lock the doors.